Welcome to Engineering Visualization channel. Today we are going to see the next type of problem. It is triangular prism. So in this given, what is given here? We are given base side 40 mm, axis length 50, long rest with a corner of the base on HP. So we should be considering the corner on the right hand side. Okay, such that there is extra question is given such that the two base edges of the base are equal inclined to be like that. It is not, that is not required. So the main important thing is angle of inclination we have to consider. You can see here the base of the prism is inclined at 45 degree to HP and the axis of the prism is inclined at 30 degree to EP. So in this problem they have given the angle of inclination to the base and the axis. So this is nothing but normal type of problem. Okay, this is not normal type of problem. So first what we do, first we are going to draw an XY line. Okay, I'll draw here only. So you follow this video and watch it till the end so that you can able to understand each and every steps. Okay, so now we need to construct the triangular prism here of base 40 mm. So resting with respect to corners of the base, so we should be considering the corner here. So right side reference we should be considering. Okay, so right side reference, so we should get the corner on the right side. So since it is a triangle, so we'll be using the compass to construct. So this is the easiest method. So using compass we can construct easily. Measure 40 mm from the compass and cut 2 arcs from the both the sides. Okay, it will reduce the time. Okay, so you can give the naming here A, B, C, top face notations, and same way it is having bottom face, that is A1, B1 and C1, that is not visible. Now what we have to do here, it is we need to mark the center of the axis. How to mark the center of the axis? So we need to find out the midpoint. So I'll be taking here this is 40. So 40 means here the midpoint will be exactly 20. Here 2 lines will draw, so that will be enough to construct here. Okay, so we need to find out the center of the axis. So okay, so this is nothing but O1. Okay, draw the projection lines. I think I have not shown the dimension here. You can show the dimension for one side. Okay, any one side is enough. You can show the dimension. This is 40. So drawing the projection lines. So how much is the axis? Axis here it is 50 mm. So first I'm constructing an axis here. You know the front view of the prism, it is nothing but rectangular face. So here also we get the rectangular face only for the prism. Okay, this is one of the video which has been requested from one of my friend, that's why I'm doing. So B dash and C dash visible, top face notation, but A dash is not visible. And same way for the bottom face also, B1 dash is visible, A1 dash is not visible, C1 dash is visible, O1 dash also not visible, O dash also not visible. Here we can show the dimension. So dimension of 50. So showing the dimension is very important, guys. Okay, 50. Now here the question given, so base of the prism is inclined at 45 degree to HP. So what I'll do here is I'll take a reference point of C1 dash. Okay, and I will take protractor for marking angle 45 degree to HP. This is what the base edge inclination. So mark 45. Okay, so here drawn line, angle line passing through this point. Okay, so now we need to measure these distances using compass. Okay, so first I'll be measuring from C1 dash to B1 dash. So cut the arc. This is nothing but B1 dash and A1 dash, and second arc from here to here, from C1 dash to O1 dash. Okay, now this is the length we should be darkening it. Okay, this is what the length we require. Okay, I'll be darkening or detail here. Now you see here, these two lengths are exactly perpendicular, so we can go with that marking 90 degree, and we can construct the 50 mm lines. Okay, so you can see here these three lines are exactly perpendicular to the base. The base we have constructed. Now these three lines we need to mark. So these are exactly 90 degree. So I'll be drawing the 90 degree point here. So 1, 2, 3. Now draw the line of length 50 mm. Okay, because this is a 50, so we should be drawing only 50 mm, but passing through that 90 degree point. Okay, so this is an axis. So 50 mm length only we should be drawing. Okay, we can mark the namings B dash and A dash in bracket, O dash and C dash, and this is the base edge inclination. It is 45 degree. Now draw the projection lines. To draw the second position top view, guys, here for the demonstration purpose I'm using the sketch pen. So when you're doing in the sketchbook sheets, okay, please use the pencil, okay, so that you can able to see the video clearly. So that's why I'm using the sketch pen. Okay guys, subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications. Any related to drawing videos, you can share any problem so that I can give you the solution. Okay, so first I'm writing the bottom face notations. So bottom face notations are this one, A1, this is B1, C1, and this is O1. The same way the top face notations, when we write here, it will be A, B, C, this is O. Okay, so now we know the concept. First we will be constructing an outer boundary line. So from anywhere you can start. I'll be starting, say, from this end. Okay, 3 steps, right? The first step I'm doing, that is outer boundary line. Okay, outer boundary line, it is done. Now second step is writing the visible faces. Now see, we are writing this top view. Top view can be seen from this here. So this top face, it is visible. So the top face, triangular face, it is visible. ABC, it is written with the continuous line, and then this also visible, that is A1 and BB1, it is already drawn. Now the bottom face, so the bottom face is not visible from the top view, so part of it we should be drawing with the dashed line. Okay, okay, and this edge, that is C dash and C1 dash, also not visible from the top view, so this also we are writing with the dashed line. And there is an axis. Okay, part of the axis we can show from here to here. So line dot so we can show. So not visible is this one and this one. Now see, now and then axis of the prism is inclined at 30 degree to VP. So we need to draw an angle line for an angle of 30 degree. So I'll be taking here reference point and I'll take the protractor here. So is it possible to construct there? No, I'll be taking here somewhere here. Okay, so that the space should be careful here in order to locate the angle, so you can able to place it properly. So I'm placing here, this is 30 degree angle line from here to here. Okay, this is angle 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree to VP. So on this angle line, so we need to transfer this diagram with respect to the axis. So for that I'll be taking an reference point of C. Now with the help of the compass, you can see on this line we have all the points C, O, C1 and O1. So I'll be measuring from C to O1, okay, using compass from C to O1, cutting the arc. This is nothing but O1. And same we can cut all these arc points because all are lying on the same line. CO, this is O. Okay, next it is from C to C1 also we can mark using compass. Okay, it is done. Now using these two points we can construct the triangle. Okay, these two triangles we need to construct. I'll be using these 2 points. Okay, so first point from C1 to A1, C1 to A1 and C1 to B1 having the same length. Okay, so I'll be cutting 2 arcs here and here. In the same way, this C1 A1 and this CA both are same, so that means I'll be cutting 4 arcs here. Okay, here and here. Done. Now so finally that is here, final from O1 to A1, this O1 A1 and O1 to B1, and similarly this OA, all the lengths were same. So keeping at the O1 point, so 1 and 2, and similarly keeping at the point O 1 and 2, so we can cut it. So just I'll extend this arc CB. Okay, you can now write the names. This is nothing but A1, this is B1, similarly this is A and this is B. Now join. Okay, wherever there is a continuous line you show with the continuous line, where there is a dashed line you show with the dashed line. Okay, so here it is dashed line. Okay, same from here. Okay, now join. So part of the axis line we show here. Okay, now it is done. Now finally we'll be drawing the final position by projecting it. So to construct the final position, it is the we follow one step here. So take it, it's a top face with the top face, bottom face with the bottom face. Okay, so the work will become easier. So projection line, if I draw here, it will be easy. You can see if B and A falling on the same horizontal line. Here this and this point, okay, and similarly O also I'll project. Okay, now marking all the points. So C dash is this, A dash, B dash and O dash. Okay, same way we project these two faces. Here this point is this and this point is this. This is nothing but E1 dash, this is B1 dash, this is C1 dash, and then we have O1 dash. It should be projected here. This is O1 dash. Okay, so if I take here nearest point to XY line, it is nothing but A. Okay, nearest point to XY line. So you can see A, it is connected with other edges. A is connected with C, A is connected with B, and A is connected with A1. So these are the dashed lines. Okay, we'll go with the concept. So from A to C, that is from A dash to C dash, it is the dashed line. Okay, then A dash to B dash, also dashed line. Okay, then A dash to A1 dash, also dashed line. Okay, now the remaining part, it is the continuous line. Okay, and then finally we have an axis. So this is line dot line. Okay, so this is done. So this is how we complete the problem on triangular prism. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Share to your classmates and friends so that they can be benefited. Thank you all. Thank you for watching my video.